Yes, I keep on telling the truth, man. But it's like the truth hurts and people wanna make my truth false. I told everyone I had intimacy with, you fall under my protection, man. But why don't you involve me in things that matter? And now it looks like you don't care for me and you don't want me to know anything. So what must I think about that? And on top of it, the city keep on abusing me. They're calling me evil things that I know nothing about. They do an investigation behind my back, but they don't involve me, they don't contact me, they don't want me to know. But God works in mysterious ways. He will reveal you. He will tell yourself. This is happening, that is happening. If you don't take note, and it's up to you. That's why I want the FBI of the United States, the DEA of the United States, to get involved in my investigation. Because I don't know what all the things that happen behind my back. My children may be hurt. I don't know because they don't also talk to me. No one talks to me in years. How should I be able to know what's happening if you don't communicate with me? I start for my people to take responsibility and start gathering the information because that's the only thing I seek. I only seek information that is truth, man. Because I mean, for a man, it's important to know things, man. It's important for him to stand up for them, but it's almost like they don't want to be fought for. They don't want to be protected. They know their own thing. They can't use their supernatural spells against me. Because I'm the one that manifested through them. Their blood is my blood. My blood ran through them. Without them knowing even me. I'm part of the Anunnaki. The Anunnaki is also taking what you call it of life, man. They know what's happening. But okay, I don't know what is their plans yet. No one can tell plans, man, until it happens. And people mustn't get scared. Because what they done first, it will come bite them back. Yes, you terrorized me like it's nothing. So this is the